It's just starting to rain. We got some kind of a storm. We got tornadoes everywhere. Ooh, look at these clouds. I don't think I'm in the tornado area, but there's been already a lot of confirmed tornadoes touching down. This is getting closer to us, but they're saying it's not supposed to be here for 40 minutes, but I'm thinking some are just popping up.
Bureau County, Henry County, including Geneseo, Anawan, Princeton, off towards the
But there's already, I think, at least 3 tornadoes that touched down. I think it was out here more farther. No. It was over here. Because it was North Liberty, New Liberty, and what was the other one? I forgot now.
Several complexes of storms now making their way through, folks.
But they're sounding the tornado warning alarm.
It's time to move in.
This Rock Island County is part of the tornado warning, which is literally just right across the river.
A good chunk of the area. Well, it looks like right now in the TV6 viewing area, at least from Iowa City off towards the LaSalle, Peru area in Princeton.
It's raining a little bit, but not bad. Some of the clouds look pretty dark. Let's go up front. Here's out front. Now, supposedly the tornado warning is like directly south. It's a weird smell in the air. It looks worse to me. This would be east. Ew, that cloud looks weird. East and to the north. Thanks for watching.